Hey guys, Matt Hennon here with Dye Paintball. In this video, we're going over the M3s main board repair kit. The parts we're going to need are going to be a needle nose pliers, 3/32 Allen, a small Phillips, your parts kit, the M3s, and just in case, our dye tool. We're going to go ahead, move our parts kit aside, and remove the grips from the M3s. With the grips removed, we're going to go ahead, take our 3/32 Allen, and remove the trigger screws. With the body separated from the trigger frame, we're going to go ahead, set the body aside, as we're only dealing with the trigger frame. We're going to go ahead and start by removing the screws located here. First, we're going to go ahead and remove the screw and the connector board. We're going to flip it over and begin removing the main screws. We're going to take the pick that's located on the dye tool, slide it behind the silver jewel, and push out. Once we have all the screws removed, we're going to remove the battery, take the wireless charge, remove that as well. The board now should move up and out of place. And with the 5-way stick, we may need to push down on the stick from this end and force it through. We're going to go ahead and remove the contents of our M3s repair main board kit. With the parts, we're going to go ahead and start by inserting your new board first. We're going to go ahead and place the 5-way stick in its position. Slide the main board into its spot. We're going to go ahead and take an Allen, firmly press on the cables to make sure they're held in place. We're then going to go ahead and take our jewel, slide that, and position the button on the 5-way board as well. We're then going to go ahead and take the black screw, small Phillips, press, and screw down. We're now going to go ahead and take our 3 silver screws and bolt down our main board. With the main board secured, we're going to go ahead and take our connector board, go from underneath, line it up, get the pins in place, and push firmly. Go ahead and get the screw, tighten it down to where it firmly presses on the O-ring, but not too tight. We're then going to go ahead and take our wireless charge and plug it in. Once we have that plugged in, we're then going to go ahead and take our battery, Velcro that, plug the battery in, adjust and position the wireless charge. And once we have that complete, we can go ahead and grab our body of our M3s, take our trigger frame screws, our 3/32 Allen, and tighten down. Once we have the trigger frame screws set, we can go ahead and place our grips back on. Once we have the grips back on, we can now go ahead and confirm that the board powers on. And we can go ahead and shut it off. And there's the video on replacing your M3s repair main board kit.